And all, my name is Akshay. I am studying 5th Blue section. My school name is St. Anne's English Medium School. My project name is Zoo. A zoo is a very place with animals more. Please visit a zoo to see animals. Thank you, one and all.
Good morning everyone. My name is Neena Sai Durga. My school name is St. Anne's English Medium High School. I'm studying 5th Blue. My project is about pollutions. Factories causes air pollution, factories announcement causes noise pollution, factories waste and all coming to seas that causes water pollution, water goes to feed that causes soil pollution, plastic and all not composting land that causes land pollution. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is K. Pavnichan. I am from 9th. Today I am presenting you that this is a 3D project. When the ray of light falls onto the clear surface, it reflects and shows us the image. It is illuminating and the image is in the mid-air and it is reflecting. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My project is hydrogen farming in water. The well is received in the water throughout the first floor and the received to the second floor and the water cycle into the well. We observe it. I can show you. It is the hydrogen farming plants and saving the water. We throughout save the water. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Shazia. My name is B. Devaharshini. Today I am showing water distillation. Water distillation is a purification method of water. The natural water of evaporation and condensation to remove minerals.
For experiment this water distillation, we heat the impurities chemicals by natural way of condensation and evaporation. It removes the essential oils from the water. It most help for future survival. Like we can remove from water petrol and diesel. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. My name is Aditya. I am studying class 8 in St. Anne's School. Today for my exhibition, my topic was rainwater harvesting. In this system, when the rain comes, the water was stored in a tank and then into the well. This water is used in plants or in our daily usage. It is very useful in the areas where water availability is less. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir or ma'am. My name is Aradhya. Today I will tell about village by compromise city. Village has houses that are made up of mud. But city has houses or buildings that are made up of cement. Here we can see the farmer, but in city we can't see the farmer. More than city, here will be more animals. Compromise by city, the village is better. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is P. Bhavishya. I am studying class 4. Today I want to tell about kidneys. Kidneys filter waste, exits fluid from blood to produce urine. They regulate blood pressure and maintain a balance of water, salt, minerals in our body. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is T. Dikshita from 8th Blue. It is a refrigerator. It stores the food. I kept a water bottle here. It cools down. Yeah, it is cooled. So it prevents the bacteria. It helps us to store food longer time. This fan helps us to remove heat from this box.
And here a aluminium heat sink I kept, so that one prevents a cool. Thank you.
Afternoon to one and all. My name is Ashwan Devnayak. I made in human eyes. It is healthy eyes and blind eyes. Healthy eyes connects electric waves to brain, so it works. Blind eyes conducts. Blind eyes did not conduct electric waves to brain, so it did it because of seeing mobiles and TVs. Thank you.
Project is lightning and thunder. The cloud upper part is positive and lower part is negative. When two clouds meet each other, there was a lightning. And after few seconds, and thunder will come. It attracts trees, buildings, and poles, and it cut it into two pieces. Thanks.
My name is K. Kiran. I am studying 8th Blue. Today I created the Newton's cardinal. It is invented by Newton's law. It works like when we pull up the ball, it will vibrate and create illusion. Good afternoon, one and all. My name is B. Patush. My project is windmills. It works with electricity, but real windmill works with wind and wind. It works with. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is a river cleaning boat. It used to the cleaning waste from the river, floating waste like plastic bottles and plastic covers, etc. It is less harmful for the environment.
My name is Ghosh. I'm studying 7th class white section. Our project name is Smart Parking System. Smart Parking System.
There are 4 slots. Already 2 slots are booked. Remaining 2 slots are there. When a car is entered, the gate will open and the system will throw 1 slot. When another car also enter, the gate will open and system. Now 4 slots are booked. When another car wants to try, this parking full is. When one car will exit, now this car can enter.
Good morning one and all. My name is Saminya. I am 7th white. This is solar system. Solar system is made up of sun, moon and other planets. Earth and Venus are twin planets. Neptune and Uranus are coldest planets. Mars is the hottest planet. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Saturn has unique style because it had a ring around it. Uranus is unique because it spins around it. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. My name is Mansa. I'm studying 7th standard. My project is types of angles. The types of angles are classified is their measure. The main part is acute angle 0 to 90 degrees, right angle 90 degrees, obtuse angle 90 to 180 degrees, straight angle 180 degrees, reflect angle 180 to 360 degrees, and complete 360 degrees. Thank you. Good morning, one and all. This is water purifier. Rocks, cargoes, sand, cotton. When I pour the dust water, it will become like a clear water. See. Like this, it will be purified. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is G. Glory John Wesley. I am studying 7th grade. Today I am showing a Chandrayaan 3. I made. This is made up of cardboard, paper and electric components. The Chandrayaan 3 captures photos and the parts of the moon. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Kumar Farinda. I'm studying 7th grade. Today my project is old age tools. This used for paper cutting, trees cutting, making some house. New activity of these tools. This makes for cardboard, paper, gum, tape, etc. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today my first
first project is layers of earth. In this project, I used cardboard and watercolors. The first layer of earth is crust. The second layer of earth is mantle. The third layer of earth is outer core. Fourth layer of earth is inner core. My second project is parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjunction. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. This is my project. I made a project about water cycle. I will give explanation of water cycle. When water heats up, see here, when water heats up, it goes up like a humidity. Humidity means the water in the air is called a humidity. When water goes up, the clouds form like a rainy clouds. It's called a transpiration. The trees give oxygen and nitrogen. It's called a transpiration. And clouds form the water. It's called a precipitation. And the water comes down is called a rainy water. Thank you.
Everyone, this is the photosynthesis. The sun gives the light energy to the plant. Light energy to the plant. The plant takes carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. The plant prepares water, minerals, and food. Thank you all.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Niharika. I am studying 7th grade blue section. Topic is Save Earth, air pollution and water pollution. Earth is our beautiful home. We will clean it. That is our life. That is our responsibility. Save Earth. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Bila Satya. I am studying 7th grade blue section. Today, my topic about Max Park governmental theme. A Max Park is a creative hands-on learning space of uses large-scale models, interactive active 3D shapes. The Max Park helps students vary size and understand abstract noun. Thank you for your time.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kerishka. I am studying in 7th grade. Today topic is about solar power. Solar energy is the power that comes from the sun, which is the thermal or electrical powers into the thermal or electrical energy for daily uses capacities by various people. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is K. Varshini. I am studying 7th blue. Today I am going to show you an ATM I made. Here we can see I made up of cardboard and with paper. Here we can save our money and we can deposit our money here. Now we can see one demo. See, and we can save here. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Karina from 7th class blue section.
My name is Sheena. I am studying 7th class blue section.
Our project name is
Working model of heart.
Now I will say some facts about heart. Heart is an internal organ of our body. Its weight is approximately 200 to 300 grams. It works is to pump our blood. Now she will explain you how the heart works.
The deoxygenated blood from the body enters the heart through the superior vena cava and flows through the right ventricle and comes out of the heart through the pulmonary artery and enters into lungs. In the lungs, the deoxygenated blood releases carbon dioxide, absorbs oxygen and re-enters the heart through the pulmonary vein. Here, it flows to the left ventricle and through aorta and gets supplied to the body. Thank you for watching. Good afternoon, one and all. My name is Shiroshni. I am studying 7th standard. Today I am going to explain straight tube number. It is display color, shape, size. It can use it to solve the problems. It can made up of cardboard and paper. I started by cut the paper and fold the paper, and I hope it is enjoying seeing it. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sakshi. I am studying 7th class. Today, my project name is Harappan Civilization. Harappans ruled 2600 BCE to 1900 BCE. On this time, they used this list. Thank you.
On the green section, the project is biogas. Thank you. My name is Sheena Shanta, class 7th green of school St. Anne's English Medium High School. My project is about states and capitals of India. Andhra Pradesh is capital of Amravati. So the light will glow. Thank you. My name is Tejashwi. I am studying 7th class green section. This is pen holder. We will store in this pens, pencils, etc. This is mini cooler. This is mini cooler when electric power is not there. This everyone. My name is Jismiri from 7th green. This is AC. When there is no electricity in our area, it can be used. Hi, my name is K. Sindhu. I'm studying 7th class green section. My project name is Small City. Shweta, I'm studying 7th class green section. This is project of purifying water. Dirty water changes to purifying water. Thank you. Name is M. Kirtanabai. I am studying 6th blue. My project name is filtration purpose. I'm pouring some water. So come in neat water. Thank you. My name is Akshay Vishni and I'm from 6th blue. I made a water purifier. I put some sand, charcoal and dust from brick and some cotton. If I pour dusty water, it will become neat. Sometimes dusty and sometimes neat. Thank you. My name is Sheikh Nagurbi from class 6th blue. Today I am going to talk about my science project, the battery fan. The fan works about the current spinning onto the motor. The motor starts current to the battery. How children can remember the electrical energy change to mechanical energy, and children can make this easily at home and thank you. My name is Sanjana. I'm from class 6th blue. My project name is lungs. When I blow air in the straw, then the lungs will blow. The process is inhale and exhale. Thank you. My name is Kishika. I am from 6th blue. And my name is Jessie. I am from 6th grade. Today I show craft. This is cooler. This works with lithium battery and DC motor. When I switch on the fan will works. Thank you for.
Today I'm studying 6th grade. My project is house and some batteries. I will keep some lights and electricity through from the lights and lights will on. Thank you.
My name is Shoman Ganda Reddy. I am studying 6th blue section. My project name is Buzzwire Game. Thank you.
In 6th blue, that is telescope. You can see far objects.
This is a water purifier and I am making this. The water purifier will pure a muddy water or a dirty water into pure water. We have the layers of water. These layers materials: sand, rocks, pebbles, charcoal and water and grass. These will pure the water, dirty water into a pure water. So let us see the process. We have the dirty water. If we pour the dirty water into this purifier, this will be pure the dirty water into pure water.
So this is the process. Thank you to all.
Miss Sanjutta. My name is Sanjutta. A balanced diet: vegetable, fruits, carbohydrate, proteins, fats, sweets. Thank you. My name is Sheikh B. Fatima. My project is life cycle of hen, egg, embryo, scratching, chick, mother hen. Thank you. Miss Laranya, this is a permanent teeth, molars, premolars, canine, intestine, canine, premolars, molars. Thank you. Miss Sanjutta, measurement, length, weight, volume, temperature. Thank you. Albert Samuel, I am studying 4th grade. This is recycle, reuse, reproduce. Thank you. Good afternoon everyone, my name is Sai Chaita. Today I am telling the means of combination. We can see pigeon with letter box, radio, newspaper, telephone, television, mobile, computer, email. These are the means of combination. Thank you. My name is Dhanyasri. I am studying 6th class. Today my project name is lemon with water. This is salt water. This is normal water. In salt water you keep lemon, it will float. In normal water you will keep lemon, it will remain there. Thank you. My name is Jahnavi. I am from 6th Blue. Now I am talking about windmill. The windmill is operated from the air faster that uses generate electricity and pumping. Thank you.
I am Snehal. I am here to say about my project. After finishing precipitation, the water stored in a shed and travels from here. Each plant has a hole, and this system is known as drip system. As well as I prepared one more on here. As here I prepared a sprinklers. So sprinkler sprinkle, and here it will clean the leaf and it make more efficient. Here I also made a English project, a topic about a parts of speech. In social I have prepared a ethical column as well as windmills. Windmills can generate electricity. It will make us to efficiency of electricity. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Hasni. I'm from 8th white section. So this is global warming. Global warming means deforestation and reforestation. Deforestation means cutting off plants and trees. Reforestation means planting trees and plants, so that we should stop the deforestation and plant reforestation to get our earth greenery. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is K. Pujit. He is my partner Harshit. I'm from class 8. This is called hydroelectricity model, working model. Even this is called pump motor. The water is applied to the bottle and the water will flow on this way. On this cap, the caps will rotate and the energy will store on this motor. This will supply to the light and the bulb will go. This is called hydroelectricity working model. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Visesha. My friend name is Rosie. We are studying in 8th class white section. We are so excited to share about gated community. Gated community is a restricted area. The persons who are allowed are in this block. This is very famous for its gates, fences, etc. This is a very securance thing. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is V. Soumya. I am studying 8th class white section. Today my project is global warming. Global warming is the increase the earth of overrise the temperature, parliament of their increase the pollution and decrease the oxygen of the animals, and during the pollution of the animals of the atmosphere, this is called this chemical change of the global warming. This is called the global warming. Thank you.